Hi, my name is Angel Whitehorse. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be rebuilding my carb again because it's a new carb. I'm going to be rebuilding a Screaming Eagle, Keihin. I have two right here that I'm going to be rebuilding. This one's for parts, or this one's for parts, and this one's good. I don't know. One of the two is good and one of the two is for parts. I have to look at them closer to figure that out. Basically just combining them and making one good carburetor, Screaming Eagle carb, because that's the one that fits in here. I got my Drag Specialties rebuild kit, Keihin CV carb, which is these Screaming Eagles. I'm gonna do a full rebuild. I think this might be a full kit right here. Hold on. Harley. That's no shit. That's not good. That's a full guy. Okay. The body of this one's terrible, but it has some okay parts left on it. And we're just going to clean this one up right here. I like the rust look, and it works. So I'm not too concerned about that. I need to steal this from this one. That's broke off there. I'll need to replace this. I might want to replace a spring. Yes. This is supposed to articulate upwards. Supposed to have a socket. I don't care about that one really. Alright. Let's get started. Next one. Oh, that's gross. That was real clean. And so that bowl is way worse than this one, so I'm going to use this bowl. I'm going to use this head. These screws. Put this bowl back together. That's a swing. I'll put them back. Oop. Okay, this is definitely the most cleaner bowl. That I need to replace. Which I'll do. So when I open my drag specialties kit, it has one in there. So I guess if I don't know. That one's not so bad. This one's cleaner. Oh, I have to use this casing. Float. Here, there's not. There it is. That hurts a little bit when you get in some cuts. Holy shit. It doesn't have the red ring of death, so. I look stupid every time I show that. Here are the old ones. They're fucking hard as rocks. So for my own records, I hope that was recording before, 150, 150, and the inside one is either 66 or 99. I don't know which way it goes. Opening this again, seeing if this will save me, because I can't find a single gasket for this. Something's better than nothing. Would this look too gaudy if I cut it out? I don't think it will work. If I get a plastic one, maybe. And thank you to USA for sending me this lead core acid battery. I'm going to have to pour the liquid into the battery and then charge the battery up. And then after that, we're going to try to just plug in the wiring harness as is, put in some gas into the bowl, and see if she fires up. USA sent me this battery along with my Sportster battery. I had mentioned to them at Sturgis, I had seen this guy while I was doing the bikini competition, who had a USA t-shirt on. So I was like, hey, I need a battery, and I didn't get to Fozzie's cycle shop in time. So he's like, oh yeah, for sure, and then told me that that there was no more left up there, so he's going to send me some to get him my address. And then I mentioned to him I was doing another build, and they were kind enough to send me along a free battery with my other free battery, as long as I am nice to them. Alright, so I'm going to put on my gloves, and this is going to go on. I need some glasses and gloves because it is acid. It can burn you, burn your skin off. Alright, honey, come here. Now bend and cough. That might be familiar to some of y'all. it is. Oh my god. There's no oil in the bike. The Suzuki Savage LS50 takes the 5L7. Oh, I don't know. You can see that Biker Bob's been working on the wiring all day with this harness. We got our USA battery in that was sent to me from USA. Thank you guys. And she turned over and ran. I know she only ran for a second there. We don't have the actual gas attached, so there's not enough. So you just saw her turn over and officially run. We had no idea if this motor was going to actually function. It's been underwater, it's been through a hurricane, it's been in the backyard. You saw me kick it out of its chopped frame already. The reason it was here was because it was sold. The guy didn't want it, I guess. So I'm going to have to custom make my throttle cable. I guess. Let's take this apart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for updates on the build. Today I got a lot done. I did my throttle cable, my battery, cleaned my carb, attached it, and Biker Bob did all the wiring so we could turn it over, and she ran today. That's an amazing feat. We had no idea if it'd even run. Like I said, it was underwater and outside during a hurricane. It's just been under a tarp in the backyard, in the middle of the backyard, where I had to kick it out of the frame. Go check out those videos that are previous, where I have more about me getting where I got my motor from. Fuck shit, it was so good until the end.
Got Angel Manrica here with her badass Triumph Suzuki Savage Chopper, and it is a chopper. She's been chopping away at it all day. Look at her, looking kind of like her Bob's Chop Shop says. Goodbye and good night. It's time for dinner.